Ocwirkgasse 5 in Floridsdorf, Vienna, Austria. Staircase 2. D1994 320 7748. This building complex has 8 staircases and I think all of them have Otis 2000 elevators. Basement. The Ocwirkgasse 2 has a similar elevator, and then the 1997 elevator I have filmed. Third floor, and that building has Otis Series 1 elevators. Or there are 3 buildings and totally 19 Otis Series 1 or Europa 2000 elevators. I have filmed 2 of them. I have to try to film more later. They are hard to get inside. 8 per sausage and 30 kilograms. Basement. Austria and maintained how to sound or describe this. Third floor. Ground floor. That's